let's talk about Stars on the Floor. Bago tayo maiyakan.
Yeah.
Hindi, everybody I talk to about Stars on the Floor, sinasabi na napakahirap. Is it true?
Sobrang totoo, Tito Boy.
Talaga?
I think in-underestimate ko talaga kung gaano kahirap tong show na to. Kasi I think sa lahat naman, lalo na sa aming mga celebrity dance stars, ako yung pinakawalang training sa pagsasayaw, walang experience. Kaya nagugulat talaga yung bawat limb at bawat ano dito.
But you're so toned.
balikat
Is there a
ko.
reason why?
That is because of Stars on the Floor. Kasi
Oo.
talagang nawo-workout buong katawan, Tito Boy.
And you would get blisters because you would rehearse barefoot. Totoo?
Oh yes. As in, kalyos na po talaga yung big toe ko. And then, may mga malalaki na akong pasa here and there. Kasi, syempre, kailangan magpakitang gilas every week. Hindi pwedeng normal-normal lang.
Oo. So far, ano yung pinaka-challenging?
All the liftings. But more than that, stamina, Tito Boy. Stamina na matatapos mo yung buong sayaw na 100% pa rin yung energy. Kasi
Oo.
iba yung kabisado mo yung sayaw, iba yung nape-perform mo ng 100% yung sayaw hanggang dulo ng sayaw. And doon ako nauubos minsan kasi nga panibago sa akin yung mag-perform ng ganitong klaseng performance. Sanay akong nananampal, umiiyak. And yung stamina na yun, in 30 seconds, tapos na, 'di ba? Pero yung dito talaga, para kang nag-jogging ng 30 minutes, tapos may weights ka pang karga. Tito
Why did you
Boy.
want to do this?
Childhood dream ko talagang sumayaw.
Talaga?
Opo, as in, 9 years old pa lang, yun yung gusto kong gawin. Gusto kong maging part ng dance crew. So, nung nalaman kong naghahanap sila ng bagong dance stars, inalay ko na po ang pangalan ko, just in case, makapasa.
Sinabi mo sa kanila to?
Opo,
Okay.
sa isang ano lang, nagkita lang kami ng writer and ng stylist ni River, si Ivor.
Okay.
And then we were all talking with, it was me, Miss Flo, and Ivor, and sabi ko lang, dali na, bato mo lang pangalan ko? Baka lang, di ba? Baka lang. Nag-workshop ako ngayon ng dance ngayon. Para saan daw? Wala lang, trip ko lang. I just wanted to learn how to dance talaga.
Okay.
Why not compete while doing it?